Today we're looking over Prostormer. This is their toolkit. We're going to take a look at everything you get inside here. Wow. Take a look at this kit. This has pretty much everything you need, from bolts to screws and washers, pliers to wrenches to hammer to zip ties, measuring tape, press the bottom there to hold that, or you can also press the top to hold it in. So it's a nice measuring tape. All your bits. Wow. So you got different bits over here. You got insulating tape spot over here. Of course, your hammer. Flathead drivers. Screwdrivers. So you got the Phillips, the flathead. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. Always hard to reach places. It's a double tool. Love that. Razor blades. More flatheads, more Phillips. You got your razor tool in here. And they provide you with razors as well. Voltage detector. Very nice kit.